Colorado 2023 has officially started. Lionel, where are we?
We're in Colorado.
Denver, boy.
We're on this little trailer cart parley thing, little pony ride to our rental car. Fox. We've gone with Fox.
There goes our bags.
Yep, that was the bags.
This is the airport, the Denver airport. It's rumored to have an underground bunker that nobody knows what it is. It's also got Nazi murals all over it.
You should have went to go look for it when you were waiting for us.
Personally, this is my favorite airport. So right now we're at the Fox Rent a Car. We're gonna rent a car.
Hello. It's Lionel's first time going to an In-N-Out, so we're here just for him. We found the only In-N-Out in Denver, or something like that, so we're gonna go get it.
Can I do a double-double?
Would you like onion on that?
No, thank you.
You gotta wear it the rest of the day.
Can't take it off.
Number 28.
Go.
Number 29.
That's me. What? Spread. What is spread? I don't know. She's like, you want spread? I'm like, I want spread. That's 2 with everything on it. I want everything. Yeah. Lionel's an animal.
Yes, I am. Well, we're finding our room right now, but Blake found it. It was pretty quick, pretty easy.
Literally right
well.
where we parked.
And here we are. So
wait, what did you just buy?
Not too bad. I bought an oxygen thing. Seems like a placebo.
Getting you live from Colorado.
Just
lost my breath.
Just
Yeah, the living room. Thank you. We got a tiny little bed. Why are they so tiny?
They're twin beds, Lionel. This is where you and I
They're
are.
really tiny.
Why is the fridge protruding like that?
A table and a picture of a reindeer.
Oh no, that's an elk.
Oh, lemonade.
Dude, I'm gonna share with you if you don't mind.
That's fun.
I love it.
Navi, look. You know why we paid the big bucks for this room? The TV actually extends. Yeah, and if you want, you can actually push it back in if it's too close because of the eye soreness.
It's like Michael Scott's TV in that office.
Yeah, that's exactly what it's like.
What is this?
This is the oxygen. You just take a nice hit. Just.
You always shake your air.
Fireplace is on.
Is it really?
What? The fireplace is bigger than the TV.
Does this one extend?
Yeah.
Oh. Are you okay?
What?
What did you do?
I don't know. I closed the trunk. What are you? Put it on footage. Don't. He's gonna charge me. That's where we're headed. Let's hit it.
Air up, air up, air up.
You're gonna need that later, dog.
So we're going up Kruger Rock. It's a very mild hike, a perfect startup hike. It's about, I haven't looked at all trails. I think it's like 2,000 incline. That's maybe less, but we're doing it to kind of get acclimated. Already we're kind of out of breath because we just started, you know, we had like 7 burgers. We hope to get up for sunset, chill up there, eat some gummies, and head back down at night.
Normal gummies. Yeah, non-CBD. That's for tonight. Take a hit. Hey, Captain, what time are you going to be up tomorrow?
Early. Well, if we can get 7 hours of sleep, that's all we need. 7, 6.5.
That's pretty poop.
That doesn't give me a time, bro.
Well, whatever we can do to get 7 hours, that's when I'll wake up.
World.
It does. Well, it doesn't. If we can go to bed at 12, we'll wake up at 7.
Oh, okay.
But if we can go to bed at 10, we'll wake up at 5.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
That makes sense. Just needed to know what the earliest time was.
The earliest is 3 a.m.
I just want to know what time we're waking up tomorrow. Don't touch my face. Oh my goodness. Get it. Okay.
It's right there. We're almost there, dog. Keep on pushing.
You gotta dig to find the fresh stuff.
Oh, he's...
Oh. Ow!
Oh, he's...
Snowball fight.
I'm about to put it in my pants. Was that rolling?
Oh.
Put it down your shirt.
Ah. It was good.
Lionel?
Chill out, bro. So, we found a little, you can do it. A little hideout here.
Have no fear, we got the Skittle gummies.
Oh no.
Oh boy, we dropped one.
Oh, litter.
Naldi, this is for you.
Did you catch it?
No.
Oh, he's going.
I got you, bro.
Okay, that's perfect. That'll do. Now I can walk this trail with extreme precision. Yeah. Oh, hey there.
Hey, bud. You're 6 bigger than mine.
All right, we're now beginning what we call the 7 deadly switchbacks of sin. They're tough, they're steep, but they are the entrance, the gateway to the summit of Krueger Rock. We got 30 minutes till sunset, so we got to go. No more stops, no more limit drops. We're getting to the top before we flop. Ooh.
Oh, snap. He's running. He's trying.
We made it to the top, very successful hike. Killer views. We got super lucky with the weather. The sunset's beautiful. A little windy, it's getting a little chilly, but man, I'm proud of everyone. We really killed it. But look at this, it doesn't get better than this. It really doesn't.
We did it.
See, we've made it to the top. Beautiful, beautiful view. You really can't beat it. Krueger Rock, Colorado. We got a panoramic view of the Alps. Dang it, these are not the Alps. Well, we made it to the top, as you can see. 10 out of 10. Beautiful weather, beautiful sunset. Krueger Rock. We got a panoramic view of the Rockies. It doesn't get better than this. The boys did crazy. Hour-and-a-half hike. 10 out of 10. You can't beat it.
Mine's going over us, but it's hot.